ज़रूरी होता है.
Wait, Harkirat, are you trying to taunt me?
No, Khushi, don't you know this jingle? It's from Airtel, remember?
Oh yes, I have. We've seen so many commercials from our childhood and they've become an important part of our life. And that's what creativity is all about. They help in creating brands for what they are.
That's right. It took just one jingle for Airtel to grab the limelight for decades to come. That's how important advertisements have become in our lives.
I completely agree. We turn on our TV, there's ad. We read newspapers, there's ad. There's advertisement everywhere. But why? They're the most effective way of spreading awareness. And that is why today we have this competition.
That's right. A very good morning to everyone present here. I, Harkirat Kaur, the president of Coffee Club.
And I, Khushi Asrani, the vice president of Coffee Club,
welcome you to Mercadio, an event conducted by the Coffee Club as a part of the Yuva Flair Campus Fest 2021.
Our annual College Fest has become international this year, and we have participants joining us from all across the globe to showcase their talent.
And Coffee is honored to organize this event and welcome participants from all across the globe. Coffee, that is the Commerce Organization for Emerging Entrepreneurs, is a student-run organization started in the year 2002 to instill a sense of responsibility and develop organizational and leadership skills among the students.
Henry Ford once said, stopping advertising to save money is like stopping your watch to save time.
That is so true. With that being said, we now request Kulsum and Cheriza to take over.
Thank you Harkirat and Khushi for such a warm welcome. I am Cheriza Jilla.
I'm Saida Kulsum Fatima and we are going to be your hosts for today.
Mercadio is an activity under which the participants have been given scenarios and are asked to design advertisements accordingly. Each of them will make a short video of not more than 30 to 40 seconds on the product of their choice. Participants can compete both individually or as a part of a group.
Today, we are honored to have Ms. Deepa Samuel and Ms. Gulnar Vik as the judges for our event.
It's my honor to introduce you all to our very first judge of the event, Ms. Deepa Samuel, the head of Commerce Department and an assistant professor at St. Francis College for Women for 27 years. She is known for her charismatic personality, knowledge and experience in the field of marketing and management. She is extremely passionate about teaching, mentoring, communication, planning and organizing.
Our next judge for today is Ms. Gulnar Vik Krishna. She is an entrepreneur and awareness coach. She began her career as a brand consultant and later founded Hashtag Marketing, a brand management firm covering digital media, advertising and public relations. Today, she is sought after for curated campaigns in the field of wellness.
We are glad that you both could join us today. We would therefore like you to enlighten us with a few words.
Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to be a part of this much-awaited event. After almost 2 years, we now have this opportunity of coming together once again for a grand event such as this. I'm very proud of all of you, the organizers as well as the participants, for being able to pull this off in spite of the many constraints. In advance, I also want to applaud all the participants. A creative activity such as this is very difficult to visualize and execute in such a short period of time. That you have even attempted to do so is in itself very creditworthy. So irrespective of the results, here's looking forward to a fun and enriching experience.
Hi team, I'm wishing everyone all the best for their videos. You guys have been extremely creative and it was really hard judging, but I wish all of you good luck in this field. It's very exciting, you know, it's my genre completely, and I hope to meet all of you very soon. And I think the results will be revealed by Deepa ma'am. And please let me know the celebrations that you all have after, so that this weekend we can all catch up. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Looking at to study abroad? MeetUniversity.com is here to help. We help you search, discover and apply to the right university. Our technology will help you choose the best university, find relevant information, help you prepare a successful application and put you in direct touch with the admission officers. Subscribe to our premium service and connect with our admissions expert right now to get started with your application. Bon voyage.
Thank you judges for your kind word. With that being said, nobody counts the number of ads you do. They just remember the impression you left.
Macardio has allowed our participants to showcase their ability and get their creative juices flowing. It's a way for creating future leaders and business tycoons by bringing out the individual and collective talents of the students participating in it.
The idea behind conducting this competition is to provide a platform for participants to explore their creativity and stage presence skills. Hence, the participants are expected to get equipped with the knowledge of ad making and its exceptions.
Have our contestants really managed to create ads that will hold our undivided attention? Let's watch them now and find out.
So many waste clothes. Mommy, wait, they are non-biodegradable. They are so harmful for environment. I'll do it something. What to do? Unagi. Scale. Elastic. Scissor. Yogi. No, shop from Tassel Studio and save the environment. Thank you.
How many times have you been hungry and felt too tired to cook? Almost always, right? YY is here to the rescue. Grab yours now and say bye-bye to all your hunger. Have it directly from the packet or add a zing to it and cook it in just 2 minutes. You can munch it, soup it or lunch it, but you can't stop loving it. Bye bye.
Billions of food waste are produced each year, from which half of them are thrown away. 30,000 pounds of carbon dioxide is released, and water gets polluted. What is the solution to stop this? Torn shoes? Broken heels? Well, you don't have to worry about that. We are here to renovate them, recycle them, and make them like this. With all new waterproof GPS tracking device to keep a track on your loved ones, to protect them, to take care of them. Comfortable, extremely stylish.
Vibe mein hitchkitch? We got you covered. Spotify's new update throws a bash to your mood. Now you can choose to share your vibe by forming a cohort across the globe with other additional add-ons. Best of music with insights about the song including the award and its fame in the tuned world. Premium content you'll love as you get to experience ad-free music along with vouchers up to 1,000 per annum every year on subscription. The perfect place for music heaven. Download and find your vibe on Spotify now.
Hey, stop. Oi, hello. I've seen you drink there and now you're driving. Don't you know you should not drink and drive, huh?
Wait. Crime, the non-alcoholic beer. Now, family parties are just not going to be fun for adults but also for our generation. Also, as you have seen, we don't have to be scared of drunk and drive tests anymore. And also, let us have fun while enjoying this non-alcoholic beer. And also, let us cut down alcohol in our life and be safe. Crime. Okay, bye guys. But remember, I mean it. It's a crime to not have this drink.
using up your time just as fast as the world around you burns? Forest helps you focus while helping Mother Earth heal. Set a timer and Forest won't let you lurk around. Collect enough coins and help plant a real tree in Africa.
Did you know the textile industry is one of the most pollutant releasing industries in the world? Statistically, 20% of all freshwater pollution is made by textile treatment and dyeing. It's a well-known fact that women in India are fond about saris. Don't worry, we at Prakash Cloth Store present to you recyclable saris from Pochampalli to Kanchipuram. We specialize in 6 to 9 yard saris. Now the most intriguing fact is we have been in this business for the past 50 years. Now please do visit our store and let's save the environment together.
पाँच मिनट में मेरी शादी है और मैं भूख से मरी जा रही हूँ।
हाँ? 3 मिनट हो या 5 मिनट कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता। ये लो फटाफट फैगी, गर्मा गर्म स्पाइसेस और मसाले, स्मूथ स्प्रिंगी नूडल्स पे स्मोकी ब्लैक पेपर का केक। 1 मिनट में बनेगा फटाफट फैगी बाय फेस्ले। खाए तो जादू हो जाए।
गुम है किसी के प्यार में दिल सुबह शाम।
Sachi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'll get started on the project right now.
Good. Get started immediately.
I just want idli sambar.
Sorry?
No, nothing.
Choose from a wide range of ready-to-eat MTR food products. Try today.
Even you're scared of chemicals? I know. We all love our skins, don't we? But worry not. I've got you covered. Presenting you Organic Magic Face Moisturizer. It's 100% chemical free. It includes aloe vera, avocado fruit juice oil, organic sunflower seed oil, xanthan gum, and organic alcohol. See? Completely chemical free. And the best part of this is it is suitable for all skin type. In this festive season, you're getting it at 20% off. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's go green.
Is your requirement a branded product and you are tight on budget? जिस तरह चांद में दाग होने से उसकी चांदनी कम नहीं होती, similarly, utility of any product does not decrease if it has minor flaws. On the same principle, we introduce our website shopinseconds.com, which deals in branded products which are factory seconds with minor scratches or dents. For example, a branded microwave of Rs 16,000 with a minor dent is sold on our website for Rs 10,000 with a valid company warranty. So, what are you waiting for? Shop for thousands of electronic products and get great value for your money. Visit our website now.
Ready to eat food
आइटम खाते हैं उसमें शेफ होने की जरूरत है 2 मिनट तक।
आइडिया तो अच्छा है, लेकिन अरे यार रेडी में कप नूडल्स।
अरे तो अकेले शुरू कर दिया, मैं भी ट्राई करती। मैं तो रेडी बिरयानी खाने के लिए बिरयानी भी लेके चली गई।
Ready to eat food. Quick and tasty. Try today.
Forests on fire, polar caps melting. The world isn't what it was. Years of tears and laughter. You aren't what you were. So why should shopping be what it always was? Toss whatever you know, because thrifting is the new shopping. Fast fashion is horrible for Mother Earth, and we have to switch to alternatives.
Choose Thrift Away for pre-loved and ethically made clothes that are super friendly. Wait, friendly clothes? Yes! Eco-friendly and pocket-friendly.
Visit thriftaway.com or download the app right now.
Using Powtoon.
At least 8 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans every year, harming 80% of marine life. Marine species ingest or are entangled by plastic debris. The vast majority, 79%, is accumulating in landfills or sloughing off in natural environment as litter. Hey, every problem has a solution, and we got an incredible way to reuse it. So why not recycle plastic and make them into clothes? Plastic is recycled and clothes are made available for all genders. We make clothes which are safe for skin and even environment friendly. It's easy to throw out, but even better to throw on. SS Creations. Be fabulous, be eco-friendly.
Everyone getting all branded shoes, but my parents won't buy me any footwear except the cheap slippers.
Hey man, you look upset.
My friend bought Nike original Air shoes, but my parents says they can't afford them to me.
There's a website called the Thrift Shop where you can find clothes and shoes like whatever at low cost with minor defects. It won't help you. I'll show you. There. See this.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm going to join you tomorrow for jogging.
इनकी एक्जिमा की क्रीम भी अब 55 रुपए की आती है। और रोटी दो बेटा।
नहीं, बस हो गया, पेट भर गया।
देखिए इन लोगों को जो खुजली वाली रोटी खा रहे हैं। ये मजबूर है लेकिन आप नहीं। जल्द से जल्द ला लीजिए बिना खुजली वाला एकदम हल्का फुल्का ready to cook rotis only for 20 rupees.
Wow, those were some truly amazing advertisements. Weren't they, Teresa?
I completely agree, Kulsum. Our participants are truly a talented bunch. They are definitely future marketeers in the making.
That was a truly entertaining experience. I am amazed at the creativity on display. I want to thank all the participants for all the efforts that have been put in. The efforts are very visible. I thoroughly enjoyed watching every single ad. And now, before we go on to the results, a little bit of feedback. As judges, we were looking out for how well you fulfilled the brief that was given to you. But in addition, just a few pointers for you to remember. As far as the ad is concerned, I think the most important thing is to focus on the USP of the brand. You know, what is the benefit that the customer receives from the brand, because that's what the customer is looking at. What's in it for me? And so every ad in the short time available should be able to convey that very effectively. The second important thing to remember are the basic tenets of advertising. Being able to capture instantly the attention of the consumer, generating an interest to the brand, kindling a desire to own or possess the brand, and last of all, there should be a definite call to action as far as the customers are concerned. So once all of this is incorporated, it automatically becomes a good brand. Last of all, but most importantly, the end result, the ad, should connect with the audience. It should resonate with the target audience. So all of these aspects are also things we considered when we judged or evaluated all of the ads that were presented to us. So once again, I just want to congratulate all the participants. Thank you for a really wonderful experience. I want to thank the organizers for making me part of this very important coffee event, and I wish all of you the very best in all your future endeavors.
Looking to study abroad? MeetUniversity.com is here to help. We help you search, discover and apply to the right university. Our technology will help you choose the best university, find relevant information, help you prepare a successful application and put you in direct touch with the admission officers. Subscribe to our premium service and connect with our admissions expert right now to get started with your application. Bon voyage.
Ralph Emerson believed that the reward of a good thing done is having done it. However, we would be falling short of our duty if we do not recognize a good thing done and acknowledge it. With that being said, now comes the most awaited moment, and that is the declaration of results. The second runner-up is Kaushik Adi. Congratulations Kaushik, you get a cash prize of Rs 1000. The first runner-up is Trisha Kola. Congratulations Trisha, you get a cash prize of Rs 1500.
And finally, I would like to announce the winner of today's event, Mercadio. The first prize goes to Sachi Bhanap. Congratulations Sachi, you win a cash prize of Rs 2500.
I hope that this event has been a great learning and fun experience for all of you. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked hard to make this event happen. I would firstly like to thank our principal, Dr. Sister Sandra Horta, and Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Shirley, St. Francis College for Women, for giving us this opportunity to conduct this event as part of the Yuva Flair celebrations. A heartfelt thanks to our judges, Ms. Deepa Samuel, Head of Commerce Department, St. Francis College for Women, for always showing us the right path and standing as a pillar of strength, and Ms. Gulnar Virk, who spared time from a busier schedule to grace the occasion. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. Thank you, judges. We are extremely grateful to our club coordinators, Ms. P.N. Prashanti and Ms. Mary Jasmine, for guiding us through the process of organizing this event. An event like this would not happen overnight, and we are fortunate enough to be backed by them. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to thank our entire Commerce Department for helping us throughout. Next, I would like to thank the entire coffee team who have invested so much of their time and effort to make this event a grand success. The idea for this event wouldn't have been possible without them. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate our winners of the event. Your hard work is truly appreciated. I would like to thank our participants that made this event joyful with their impressive participations. We wish you all the very best for your future. A special thank you to our sponsors of the day, Jeevanopadhi.com. Lastly, we would like to thank each and every one of you. Hope you all have a great day.